Hello, my families. Welcome back. In previous class, we have seen about common ways to ask greeting in Amharic language. Okay, we have seen about four common greetings in Amharic language. Now we'll see the other topic. Okay, how to ask direction. Okay, how to ask direction. So we'll see what ways to ask direction in Amharic language. Okay, ways to ask direction in Amharic language. And as you know, if you are a foreigner or if you are new to a new country, then the most important thing is that you are not familiar in that place. So you need to ask the place you are not familiar. So it's important for you to know about how to ask directions, places. Okay, we'll see that, and let us proceed. And the first phrase that we can use in order to ask direction in Amharic language is that where can I find? Okay, where can I find a dash? Okay, here the place you want to find. Okay, you name the place you want to find. If it is a hotel, you'll say hotel. If it is a bank, you'll say bank. So the most important phrase is that where can I find? Okay, it's important phrase. So how can you say in Amharic language where can I find? Okay, the equivalent. Here, dash, it means you'll place the place here in American language. When you ask a place, so the place comes first, you'll fill the place, then yet now የማገኘው. Yet now የማገኘው means where can I find, okay? Where can I find? In order to say where can I find in American language, you'll say what? Yet now የማገኘው, okay? Yet now የማገኘው. Yet now የማገኘው means where can I find? Okay, where can I find? So this one is basic alphabet yeah, and this one is subgroup of basic alphabet ta, and it's called t. Yet. Yet means where. Yet means where. Okay. Then this one is basic alphabet na, and this one is subgroup of basic alphabet where, and it's called what? Will. No. No means it is. Yet no. Yet no. Where can? Where can? Where can I? Yet no means where can I? Where can I? Okay. Where can I? It means the equivalent of yet no means where can I? This one is የማገኘው. This one is basic alphabet yeah, and this one is a subgroup of basic alphabet me, and it's called ma. And this one is subgroup basic alphabet ga, okay, and this one is basic alphabet nya, and this one is subgroup of basic alphabet wa, and it's called we. የማገኘው means I find. የማገኘው means I find, okay? Yet no means where can. Yet no means where can. የማገኘው means I find. So where can I find? It means together. Yet no የማገኘው means where can I find, okay? Where can I find, okay? In order to say where can I find in Amharic language, we will say what? Yet no የማገኘው, okay? Yet no የማገኘው means where can I find. So you will add the place here, then you will ask the place you want, okay, in Amharic language. Now, in order to ask ways to ask direction, the most important thing is that we need to use a polite word to ask directions, okay? We need to use a polite word to ask direction, okay? Some of them are, excuse me, okay? We need to say, like, excuse me before we ask, okay? Since we are searching the place for ourselves, so we need to be polite, okay? So, some of the polite words are excuse me, my brother, my sister, okay? So, excuse me means in Amharic language, ይቅርታ, okay? In order to say excuse me in Amharic language, we'll say what? ይቅርታ, okay? It's important. This one is subgroup of basic alphabet yeah, and it's called what? Yeah. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet ka, and it's called ka. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet ra, and it's called what? R. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet ta, and it's called ta. When we read it, ይቅርታ, okay? ይቅርታ means excuse me, okay? It's important. We need to use this. Since we want to ask directions, we need to be polite. So, the first polite word is that excuse me. In Amharic, it means what? ይቅርታ, okay? ይቅርታ. In order to say excuse me, we will say what? ይቅርታ. Otherwise, my brother, okay? In order to say my brother in Amharic language, we will say what? ወንድሜ, okay? ወንድሜ means my brother. Okay, my brother. This one is basic alphabet where, and this one is subgroup of basic alphabet na, and it's called what n. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet da, and it's called what d. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet ma, and it's called me. When we read it, wandeme, okay? Wandeme means my brother, okay? My brother. Wandeme means my brother. So this one is another polite word to use, okay? While we ask direction. The other polite word is what? My sister. It means what? Ehete, okay? This one is subgroup of basic alphabet A, and it's called what? And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet Ha, and it's called what? And this one is what? Subgroup of basic alphabet Ta, and it's called what? Te. When we read it, ehete. Okay, ehete. It means what? My sister. So you need to take into consideration when we ask direction, we need to be polite. So we need to use what? Either one of these words when we ask direction, okay, in Amharic language. Okay, so the first important phrase in order to ask direction is that where can I find, okay? Where can I find? It means in Amharic language, dash, where can I find dash? Here in Amharic language, you will place the name of the place you want first, then where can I find means የት ነው የማገኘው. It means where can I find. የት ነው የማገኘው means where can I find, okay? Based on this, let us see one example, okay? Here it is one example. Let us say you are new to a place, so you want to find what? A museum, okay? There it is. It is a museum, and you want to ask the place of the museum, where it is found, okay? You will say what? Here. Excuse me. I have said you that you need to be polite first, so excuse me. Where can I find a museum, okay? Where can I find a museum? Here, the museum. Excuse me. Where can I find a museum? So, in order to say excuse me, where can I find a museum in Amharic language, we will say what? ይቅርታ. I have told you that excuse me means in Amharic language what? ይቅርታ. Museum የት ነው የማገኘው? Okay. Museum in English is also museum in Amharic. Okay. Museum similar. Okay. Museum in English also in Amharic it's museum. So ይቅርታ it means excuse me. Museum is museum. Okay. የት ነው የማገኘው means where can I find. So excuse me. Where can I find a museum? Okay. In order to say excuse me. Where can I find a museum in Amharic language? We'll say what? ይቅርታ ሙዚየም የት ነው የማገኘው? ኦኬ ይቅርታ ሙዚየም የት ነው የማገኘው? ኦኬ ይቅርታ ሙዚየም የት ነው የማገኘው means what? Excuse me, where can I find a museum? Okay. The other example is that you are a foreigner or new to a place, so you want to find what? A bank, okay? In that place, a bank. How can you ask? Okay. My sister, where can I find a bank? Okay, you can say like, you can ask politely the way of the bank or the direction of the bank by saying what? My sister, where can I find a bank? In order to say my sister, where can I find a bank? That means in Amharic language, ehete means what? My sister. So, ehete, bank is also in Amharic similar, okay? Bank in English is also bank in Amharic, not just ehete, bank. የት ነው የማገኘው? It means my sister. Where can I find a bank? Okay. Where can I find a bank? Okay. እህቴ bank. But here እህቴ you have, if you use እህቴ, it only works for female person. Okay. Since እህቴ means my sister. So if the person you are asking is a female person, you will say to her what? እህቴ bank የት ነው የማገኘው? And if the person you are asking is a male person, you will say here, ወንድሜ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? But you can also use that, excuse me, bank yet, excuse me, where can I find a bank? Which means, ይቅርታ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? Here, ይቅርታ works for both male and female person, okay? If you use a polite phrase, ይቅርታ, it works for both male and female person. Okay, excuse me. It works for both male and female person. Whereas ወንድሜ only works for male person, since ወንድሜ means my brother. Whereas እህቴ only works for female person, since እህቴ is what? It means my sister. So it only works for female person. So here, if you want to find a bank, if you found someone, or if you are asking a female person, you can say my sister. Where can I find a bank? It means in American language, እህቴ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? ኦኬ እህቴ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? ባንክ እህቴ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? It means my sister. Where can I find a bank? Okay, እህቴ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? Okay, the other example is that you want to find a hotel in a specific place you are new. Okay, how can you ask? For instance, my brother, where can I find a hotel? Okay, you will ask like this, my brother, where can I find a hotel? So in order to say my brother, where can I find a hotel in American language? ወንድሜ. Here my brother means what? ወንድሜ. And you will say ወንድሜ for person who is male. Okay, since ወንድሜ means my brother, so ወንድሜ hotel የት ነው የማገኘው? Hotel in English is also at hotel in Amharic, similar, no change. Okay, so ወንድሜ hotel የት ነው የማገኘው? የት ነው የማገኘው means where can I find? Okay, so ወንድሜ hotel የት ነው የማገኘው? Okay, hotel የት ነው የማገኘው? Hotel የት ነው የማገኘው? So when you use a polite word, you need to be careful. Okay, since if you use excuse me, it means ይቅርታ. It works for both male and female person. It works for both male and female person if you use ይቅርታ. Okay, whereas if you use my brother, it only works for male person. It means what? ወንድሜ means my brother. Okay, and if you use what? እህቴ, you only gonna use what? For female person, since እህቴ means what? My sister. Okay, my sister. So we have seen one way to ask direction, and that is what? Where can I find? Okay, where can I find? Okay, in the next session we'll see another one.